Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Chalk Couture video on Bake It and They Will Come. I'm going to do this half, the Bake It and We Will Come. I'll do the other half on another one. I'm going to get scissors and cut that in half. Set that aside. I'm using this board. I think I got like 6 of them at Michael's, and right on the back of this, my mother, write this to the back. So you know what side to put it back onto when we're done. These transfers, they're like a silk screen. And this a few times since it isn't a reason we do this is because they're really super sticky and we don't want them to stick to the board and curl up and stuff, or rip them or tear them or stretch them out. A little longer. Are going to be Peacock, which is this one right here. I'm going to use Couture Teal and Cool Breeze. And Bright White. Subscribe, like, any comments, leave below, join my VIP group in Facebook. My links are all down below. Check my shop out.